Heading into this hunt, we knew the weather, it was going to be warm, chance of rain, abnormal for this time of year. Normally it's cold, chasing a freeze line. So the birds that have been around in this area have been here for a while. They've heard all the calling, they've seen all the decoys, they've seen every bit of spread, small spread, big spread, and they've heard it all. So heading into this, we decided to do less is more approach.
Here we go, get ready. Get ready. We're gonna kill these two drakes. We're gonna kill these two.
All right.
Kill them.
There you go, boys.
You'll see the birds cut in over us on the left side and duck out. And what you'll hear is someone quack. That turns the ducks in the corner.
Get ready.
Someone quacks again and it turns them and sets them right up to the kill lane where we just soft feeder chuckled them all the way in.
We're gonna kill these two drakes. We're gonna kill these two.
All right.
Kill them.
In this next clip, something that happens all the time if you're a duck hunter, but staying hitting and in the cover plays key role in this situation.
Kill them. Kill them.
You got one coming suicide in, no calling, just everyone covered up, everyone keeping their eyes peeled, but catching that bird coming out of right field, sucking right in the decoys.
Right here in the decoys.
Kill them. Kill them.
Just because you have a duck call around your neck doesn't mean you always have to blow it to be successful.
Oh yeah, this is good.
Right up front, 12 o'clock. Kill him. Kill him.
The less is more approach worked on the first day, so going into the second day, we were going to do the same.
Coming in.
11 o'clock high, boy. Yep. 3 more join.
As you can see, the first couple groups weren't having it. The feeding calls, the single quacks, weren't having the same effect as they were the day before. Initially, the loud, more aggressive calling was towards the 2 crossing ducks, then the 3 started to slide in from the left. Back to the subtle feeding calls, and again, they weren't having it. At this point, it was time to make a change.
What are they not liking?
What was working yesterday is not working today. So, the quickest way to change that is not calling. Moving decoys wastes too much time. Drop the call, everyone's still on the boat, and as you can see, it turns out to be a success.
Cut him.
As you can see, the Noah home approach worked. Sometimes you just gotta let your decoys do the calling. The birds got in where they were starting to slide out about 30 yards when we were calling, and with the no calling, committed 100%.
Oh, 9 o'clock. There's 2 out front too.
2 at 12.
Kill it. 2 at 12. Shoot that green head.
Hey! Hey!
These hunts were a tale of 2 days. What worked the first day didn't work the second day. And then even on the second day in the morning, went from calling to no calling.
Cut that drake. Cut that drake. Nice. Shoot.
It could have been the concealment, the calling, or the decoys. But the birds weren't flaring, so we knew they weren't seeing us. So the next step, and the next easiest step, was to not call. And as you can tell from the birds pushing off the 30 or 40 yards, instead sucking straight into the kill hole.